this video, I'll show you how to find trending videos on TikTok and download them easily using tool called Safety. So let's get started. By the way, you can also download videos from Reels, Facebook or Instagram, and also from YouTube. But in this video, I'll show you everything from TikTok. Just go to the TikTok platform and go to the Explore section. Just select your category, what type of videos you want to download. And there are lots of categories, and I'll find the viral videos which have millions of views. Or you can just put your keyword over here with hashtag. Let's say I want to search AI, so hashtag AI, and I will find AI users, top videos, live, everything over here. I already just found some videos and just open it, their profile in the browser. Here's the video. Just I'll recreate 3.4 million views. I can recreate this video. This is a viral video, and I'll recreate it definitely with our original version and upload to YouTube Shorts so that we can make some money from affiliate program. And also I found some other channels. This is another channel. This is another channel. I can just recreate it. Okay. They're actually showing their face, but I can avoid that. No problem. And without showing your face, you can definitely do that. No problem. Here's another one. For this demonstration, I'll definitely copy this video and download it from this link. Okay. So Septic.app. I was talking about this tool. So I'll put it here and download. Here's the video link. So just download the video. So there you have it. Finding and downloading viral videos from TikTok is super easy, as you see that. Now it's your turn and start creating magic. See you in the next video.